Do you want to solve multiplication in seconds? Any 2-digit number or 3-digit number, whatever the multiplication is, do you want to do it faster? I'll show you the way. Let's move to the problem. In this topic, I'll be teaching you the multiplication with 2-digit number by a number called 11. Okay. So, first example, solve the problem 32 into 11. So, 32 multiplied by 11. How can you do it? First step, write the digits as such 3, leave a space and 2. Okay, in this space, what you're going to fill is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So, the answer is 352. Again, I repeat, how can you do it as such like this? See, when it is been given like this, 32 into 11, what you can do is, first write 3, leave a space and write 2. Now, in your mind, calculate 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? 5. So, when you write it 3 plus 2, 5, the final answer is 352. We'll go for the next problem. 44 into 11. So, 44 when multiplied by 11. First step is what you have to do. You have to write the digits with a space and you have to fill in the center with 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Next problem, 85 into 11. So, how can you do it? 8, 5 into 11. Write the digit 8, leave a space and 5. Now, in this gap, you have to fill what? 8 plus 5. So, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Okay. Write the one digit number here, 3. And remaining, you have to carry here, 8 plus 1. Okay. And the final answer will look like this. That is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. 3, 5. Okay. If there is no carry, you can do it as such. If there is a carry, you have to do like this. Another example I will show you here. 75 into 11. When it is given like this, you need not to write like this. Okay. You can solve it directly. 5 and 7 plus 5 is 12. 2 remaining 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 825 is the answer. Clear? You can do most of the problems in the mind. That is, the multiplication with 11 is the easiest one that you can always remember it. Okay. We'll go for the larger numbers now. Solve the problem 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. So how can you solve it? First write the numbers as such 1, 2, 3, 4 and make a line like this and add zeros. Okay, you have written the same digit given number as such and you have added a line before the number and a line after the number and you have placed the zeros there. Okay, first step what you have to do is add 0 plus 4. What is 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Next is 3 plus 4. What is 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4 is 7. Next, add the next two digits. 2 plus 3. That is 5. Add the next two digits. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And the final digit you have to add is 0 plus 1. That is 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So what will be the answer? This first one what you have done, this remains as the ones digit number. And the consecutive numbers you can write as such. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 11. You will get it as, write the ones digit 4, 7, 5, 3 and 1. This is the answer. So how can you do it in the mind? I can calculate a question in your mind. Whether I have to do write like this and do it? No way. See, the next problem I will show you. You need not to write this way and you need not to solve in this way. Okay, you can do it in the mind. See, the next problem is 882 into 11. That is equal to, see how can you do it? In your mind, add 0 plus 2. 2. Next 8 plus 2 is 10. That is, write the 0 and write a carry here. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So write the ones digit. In 17, 7 is the ones digit and the remaining one is carry. Again you have to add 0 plus 8. What is 0 plus 8? 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9702 is the answer. The same thing, this one you can do it in the mind, okay? What you have to remember is most of the people will forget adding here. That is this 0 plus 8. This one most of the people will forget. Everyone will do this 0 plus 2. But most of the one will forget this. So don't forget that one. Okay. I'll explain with the another example, that is 782. 782 multiplied by 11. So start calculating in your mind here. Start with the 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. The carry is 1. 7 plus 8 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. The carry is again 1. 0 plus 7 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8602 is the answer. Hope these tricks will be useful for you. Keep watching my channel. Thank you.